To add tax to GoDaddy, you will need to follow a series of steps that will enable you to calculate and charge sales tax to your customers. First, you need to understand that GoDaddy provides an option to automatically calculate sales tax for you, which can be found in the settings section of your online store. To start, log into your GoDaddy account and navigate to your online store. From there, click on Settings and then select Taxes. In the Taxes section, you will have the option to enable sales tax. Click on the Enable button to activate the sales tax feature. Next, you will need to set up your tax rates. GoDaddy allows you to set up tax rates based on the location of your customers. You can add tax rates for different states, counties, or cities. To add a tax rate, click on the Add Tax Rate button and enter the tax rate percentage and the location it applies to. After setting up your tax rates, you will need to assign them to your products. You can assign tax rates to individual products or to entire product categories. To assign a tax rate to a product, navigate to the Product Details page and select the tax rate from the drop-down menu. It is also important to note that GoDaddy allows you to exempt certain products or customers from sales tax. You can do this by selecting the exempt option when setting up your tax rates or when assigning tax rates to your products. In addition to setting up tax rates, you will also need to configure your tax settings to comply with the tax laws in your state or country. This may include setting up tax holidays or tax exemptions for certain customers. You can find more information on tax laws and regulations in your state or country by visiting the official government website. Finally, it is a good idea to test your tax setup to ensure that it is working correctly. You can do this by placing a test order and verifying that the correct tax rate is being applied. By following these steps, you can easily add tax to GoDaddy and ensure that you are complying with all applicable tax laws and regulations.